Would like to show you this boat in South Florida that's in the boatyard for wet fiberglass blister repairs. Different than what you may first think. Looking here at the bottom of the boat, that is fine. That has the traditional anti-fouling paint under the water, and of course it needs to be reapplied. But the strange part is up here at the bulwarks, the side decks. You can see where the fiberglass has been chewed down, all of the paint, all of the gel coat down to the raw fiberglass itself. And somebody's been reading it with a moisture meter, and you can see in different places where we've got the moisture readings right there. It says about 8%. Over here, 7%. Moving along, we've got 7% again. And now look at this, 27%. And then the word wet. So also, let me step back a little bit. You can see that that fiberglass is a little bit different material than the fiberglass of the rest of the bulwarks on the side of the boat. So looking at that, I'm going to assume that we may have a fiberglass repair from an old injury from being in a storm, and maybe that's where the piling in the marina was rubbing into the boat. And that's where the fiberglass repair was done right there with different fiberglass material. Let me walk around to the bow of the boat. 6% on the right side of that window. 6% again. Coming back over here underneath the anchor platform, we've got 6% in the shade. Coming around again, 7%. 7%. And then back to the window, positioning underneath that round porthole, you can see that we've got 19% right there, wet right there, 7% right there. So stepping back again, you can see that that's pretty much in the same place on the port and the starboard side of the boat, leading me to believe that that's an old repair from some piling damage involved with a storm. Following back a little bit more, we can see 7%, 8%, 8%, 22%, and then 14%. So this may be another location where we've had some piling damage during a storm. And you can see that that fiberglass material is a different structure, a different material than we have from the original factory work right there. So if you've got any questions about fiberglass work, just ask Captain Chris.